Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, I hope you're having a great day, and possibly after watching this video, it might even be a better day. Why? Well, because we're going to be talking about a challenge. 3dmodels.org reached out to me and told me about their challenge and asked me to be one of their jury members for that challenge. And I wanted to share with you guys what it's all about because it could be potentially very interesting for you. Now, why? Well, first of all, the jury is a list of people that are active in the industry. And it's always good if you're a 3D artist to have your work shown, right? Second, this is, I believe, the 12th year in a row that they've been doing this. So the audience that is looking at this work is massive as well. So, number one, exposure, for sure. Number two, it gets the creative juices flowing, right? You get to practice your craft, and that's always fun. And number three, there's a very impressive list of prizes, including cash prizes. And the first prize is $1,000 and a lot of other stuff as well. And I'll show you all of that. So how do you get started? Well, you go to 3dmodels.org, right? Then you go up here to challenges and you click on the one card challenge. Now, why is it called One Card Challenge? Well, because it's unique in a way that it's not necessarily a modeling challenge, but more a rendering challenge. They will provide you with a model of the car, so everybody gets the same car. However, you have the liberty to change that car any way you like. You can change the background, the lighting, the texture. You can even change the car itself, right? So a lot of creative freedom there. Now, there are rules, of course, because they want to make sure you're not using AI. So they will ask you to post a work in progress and to do hashtag stuff and whatnot. But you can find all of that in the rules down here, right? Now, here are a couple of examples of work submitted by other artists, and you can go through that at your leisure. And here is kind of the setup of how things work. And again, they provide the model to you, so that's kind of cool. And that said, let's look at the prizes. So like I said, first prize, $1,000 in cash. Second prize, 500. Third prize, 250. Whole bunch of goodies, right? So check all of that out. The rules, of course, like any challenge, there will be rules. And then the judges, there are plenty, right? All people from the industry. And I am in here somewhere as well. Yeah, right there. The bald guy. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, what else? 43 days left to participate. So no worries there. There's plenty of time. So yeah, that's what I want to share with you guys. So I suggest you go to 3dmodels.org, you check out the challenge, and you participate, right? It's a lot of fun. And yeah, I'll see your work because, hey, I'm one of the judges, right? Okay, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you participate, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.